Hey everyone, welcome back to SkilledHub. Today we've got an exciting topic for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. If you've built a deck or you're planning to, and you're contemplating adding a railing, you're in the right place. First off, you might be thinking, do I need a railing? Well, whether you need to add a railing to your deck depends on various factors, including local building codes, the height of your deck, and your personal preferences. Check with your local building department to understand the specific regulations regarding deck railings in your area. Many jurisdictions have codes that dictate when a railing is required based on the height of the deck above the ground. The need for a railing is often linked to the height of your deck. In many places, if your deck is elevated above a certain height, commonly 30 inches or more, a railing is mandatory for safety reasons. Even if not required by local codes, you might want to consider adding a railing for safety, especially if your deck is high above the ground. Railings provide a barrier that helps prevent accidental falls, making your deck a safer space for family and guests. Some insurance companies may have requirements or recommendations regarding deck safety features, including railings. Checking with your insurance provider can provide insights into any safety-related requirements. Apart from safety considerations, the decision to add a railing might also be influenced by your aesthetic preferences and the desired level of privacy. Railings can enhance the overall look of your deck and provide a sense of enclosure. If you have children or pets, a railing becomes even more important for their safety. It acts as a barrier to prevent accidental falls, providing peace of mind for homeowners with young children or active pets. Consider how you plan to use your deck. If it's primarily a space for quiet relaxation, the need for a railing might be less urgent. However, if you envision frequent gatherings, parties, or have a high-traffic deck, a railing becomes a more critical safety feature. Remember, the decision to add a railing to your deck is influenced by a combination of safety requirements, local building codes, aesthetic preferences, and how you intend to use the space. Even if not strictly required by codes, adding a railing can be a prudent choice for safety and peace of mind. Always check and comply with local regulations to ensure your deck meets safety standards. Now, if you're ready to add a railing to your deck, we've got some fantastic tips on different types of deck railings that'll not only enhance the safety of your deck, but also elevate its aesthetic appeal.
Let's dive in!
So you've got a deck and you're thinking about a railing. First things first, why do you need one? Well, a deck railing serves multiple purposes, one of the most crucial being fall protection, especially if your deck is elevated. It's not just a matter of aesthetics. It's a matter of safety. In some cases, local regulations might make it mandatory for you to have a railing, especially if there are children in the house. Beyond safety, a deck railing can also add a touch of privacy to your outdoor space. But remember, there might be height restrictions, so check your local codes before you start planning. Now that we understand why a deck railing is essential, let's explore the exciting part: different types of deck railings. First up, we have the classic and versatile option. Wooden balcony railings are not only easier to build, but they're also highly adaptable to your preferred style. It's essential to ensure that the design matches your house. Check out your neighborhood or Pinterest for inspiration. But before you jump into building, consider the type of wood. Untreated wood may need regular painting, while pressure-treated wood offers low maintenance. Don't forget to scout for quality wood at a reasonable price from your local hardware store. If you're more into low maintenance and a classic, stylish look, iron balcony railings might be your go-to choice. Wrought iron railings are not only elegant, but also fit seamlessly into both old and new houses. For a unique touch, consider reaching out to forging companies for custom designs. For those who want an unobstructed view or have an incredible landscape to showcase, a deck glass railing system is a fantastic option. Yes, it might be pricier compared to wood, but the aesthetic payoff is remarkable. Opt for aluminum posts to avoid rust and be ready for some cleaning, unless you enjoy cleaning windows. Installing a glass railing system can be a DIY job, but having a helping hand or two is always better. With a variety of designs and price ranges, there's a glass railing system out there for everyone. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to different types of deck railings. Before you embark on your railing project, consider the purpose, the style of your home, and of course, your budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. Until next time.